everybody, it's your girl Paris D. Yes, and I'm back today with a new YouTube video. Now today is a little different because I am doing today my hair. Yes, my hair, and I'm going to give you 3 hairstyles today. What? 3, baby, 3. I know what y'all thinking, like, Paris, what the heck do you got on top of your head? It is a cap, because I don't like scarf because they give me like migraines, like they squeeze my brain too much, so, and it gives me like hella migraines. I'm going to take this off to go ahead and do my hair. Hey guys, so the first hairstyle we'll be doing today is called the cross-side twist. So what I do is part my hair from the right side of my head and start twisting to the left. After I'm twisting, you will need bobby pins to pin up the twisted hair part so it can stay in place. You see a little bit that I'm kind of struggling with the with the pin. So after I'm done, I do like to slick down my edges so I can complete the whole look of the style. It struggles to flick down the edges, you know. Then you see me being a little silly. This should be the completed look. So the second style is easy. All I do is comb my parts to the side and use a hair clip or bobby pins to keep my sides from falling out of place. After I'm done, I like to go over my edges with Murray's Edge Wax. It's the best. I also use the extra hold as well. Just to slick down my edges. After it's done, this is how it should look. Now for this last look, what I did was part my hair down the middle, and on each side I twist. And I use 2 bobby pins on each side to hold place. After I'm done, I stick down those edges. Now I didn't have time to do the tutorial because I thought I had taped it but didn't. So sorry about that. You guys though enjoyed it. Those are the 3 hairstyles that I have for you guys today. I will be coming up with new hairstyles to do for you guys to see and to see how I process along with my hairstyles. I kind of did make up this, you know, twist layover or whatever I called it. Twist over. There you go. I did kind of come up with this, you know, twist over. I designed it myself. No. Well, I want to thank you guys for watching my YouTube video. If you guys like these styles, comment down below, leave a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I hope everybody had the nicest day of them all and every other day. Peace and love. Bye.